This is how you replace the screen on a Samsung S22, 23, 24, 25 Ultra, step by step, the right way. One small mistake can damage your phone, so if you're attempting this for the first time, watch this video all the way through before you even pick up a tool.
Hello guys, my name's Dr. Faraz. I love doing all my stuff on my own, and I also enjoy making videos to share my experience with others. In today's video, we're going to be working on the Samsung S23 Ultra. I'll be showing you a complete screen replacement, including the frame. This is a full teardown and rebuild, so we'll be removing pretty much every internal component and transferring it over to the new display assembly. As you can see here, this was my phone's display when it got damaged. If you look closely at the top right corner, the screen is completely broken and the display was heavily distorted, making it really hard to use. Before we begin, let's go over the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll need a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra screen panel, which can be ordered from Amazon, eBay, or other websites, a Phillips screwdriver, 1.5mm, a plastic pry tool, plastic opening picks, and some isopropyl alcohol. All these will be part of screen panel order, and make sure you're working on a clean, static-free surface.
Alright, let's start with the back cover. You can apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol around the edges of the back glass. This helps loosen the adhesive underneath. Or if you have a heating mat, place the phone on it for a couple of minutes. Heat will soften the adhesive and make removal much easier. Now, using an opening pick, gently find an opening along the edge. Once you get a gap, slowly slide the pick around the phone. Be gentle here to avoid cracking of back cover.
Next, we're going to remove all the screws using Phillips screwdriver, 1.5mm. Start from the bottom section and work your way up. Make sure you keep all screws organized. Using a plastic pry tool, gently lift and remove the wireless pad and NFC connection. And then we're going to remove the bottom speaker of S23 Ultra, which is attached to the wireless NFC. Before touching anything else, disconnect the battery. Then, proceed by removing the LCD extension, Flex, which is attached to the main PBA board, as well as the LCD one. This is a separate bar, so make sure you transfer it onto the new screen. Then, we disconnect the main board flex cable. Now we'll move to the charging port area. Remove the screws securing the charging board. And very important, eject the SIM tray now. Otherwise, you may end up damaging the charging board when trying to remove it. Next, remove the S Pen. Once that's done, carefully lift out the charging port assembly. Then, disconnect the antenna cover on the top. These parts should come out easily. Now, move to disconnect the flex cable of the stylus pen and the top connection of the board coming from the LCD, as well as the front camera. Now, carefully lift the motherboard out of the frame. Now, for the front camera, this part must be transferred to the new screen. Next up, battery removal. This is very important, so pay close attention. Do not puncture the battery. Avoid knives, screwdrivers, or any sharp tools. Always use plastic instruments. In my case, I used a knife and punctured it, costing me another $50 for a replacement. To remove it properly, use the pull tabs or apply a little isopropyl alcohol underneath to loosen the adhesive. Let it sit briefly, then gently lift the battery out. And remember, be careful. Bending or puncturing the battery can be dangerous. Quick note before reassembly. Some versions of this phone, like US or Japan models, come with additional 5G antenna flex cables. This particular device does not have them, so there's nothing extra to transfer. Always check your specific model before proceeding. Now we begin reassembly. Start by install the charging board and insert the SIM tray. Next, reinstall the motherboard. Reconnect all flex cables carefully. Display flex, mainboard flex, antenna connections. Important tip, do not connect the battery yet. Finish connecting everything else first. Now reinstall front camera, antenna covers, speakers, wireless charging pad and NFC module, secure everything with screws, insert the S Pen back into place by placing the battery into the new frame. Finally, reconnect the battery. Attach the back glass. Press it down firmly to ensure proper adhesion. Now, power on the device. Check the display, touch response, and front camera. If everything is working, you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the screen on the Samsung S23 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.